Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tutorial. In this video, I'll be discussing about the black screen issue in OBS after the latest Windows 10 update. So keep watching. This video can be considered as a continuation of my previous video about the OBS Black Screen. If you haven't watched it before, do watch it as it have helped a lot of my subscribers before. If you are watching this video, then it means you have tried and failed many different tutorials before. In this video, I will show you the direct solution followed by a detailed explanation for you guys so that you guys can figure out these kind of issues if you ever face them once again. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, make sure that your OBS is set to the appropriate settings and you have a display capture as the source in the OBS. That's the only thing you have to do in the OBS software right now. In most of the videos, you might have seen that they are changing the preferred graphic processor in the graphic settings like this. This will work only if you are using an older version of Windows 10. From Windows 10 1903 build, any changes made like this will be ignored. So we have to find an alternate solution. All you have to do is to change the graphic processor. In order to do that, go to the Start menu and search for Display Settings. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the graphic settings. Use the browse button to locate the OBS from the installed location. Mostly it will be in the program files OBS Studio, bin and OBS 64 or OBS 32 according to the bit you have installed. Now you may see that OBS is added just below. Click on it and select the options to change the graphic processor. Here the power saving option is the integrated graphics and the high performance option is the graphic card. If you are using a laptop, you must select the power saving option and save the settings. Now you can see that OBS is working perfectly. Now you can use OBS to record or stream without any more issues. That's all for the solution. If you want to know how this worked, it's because if you are using a laptop, then there will be two different graphic processors, the integrated graphics and the external graphic processor. Since you are using a laptop, its display is connected to the integrated graphics. The external graphic card is only used for the rendering purpose. That's why we are getting a black screen when we are using the high performance option for OBS. This is not the case when we are using a PC. In PC, we can change the display driver to the external graphic processor completely, which is not possible in the laptops. That's it guys. This is the end of the tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you guys in the next tutorial.